guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another plan with me. I'm gonna real quickly show you the kit and then we're just gonna hop right into this plan with me. I'm gonna speed it up and do a voiceover just because I want to sit here and just enjoy planning. But we are planning, I'm so far behind on planning. We're planning last week, which was the 5th through the 11th. And I'm gonna be using this pineapple kit from my shop. It just looks like this. Oops, it's in our new format. I don't know if I've used a newly formatted kit. What am I trying to say? Since I reformatted it. I don't think I've used one in this planner, so I don't think I have. See, that was an old format, yeah. So this is the first time that I'm using this new format. So yeah, now I'm just gonna speed up and, well, I'm not gonna speed up, but I'm gonna speed up this video so you guys can see me plan. All right, guys, welcome to another crazy week in my life. If you haven't noticed by the fact that this video was planning 2 weeks ago, my life has been kind of crazy. So we're just gonna hop right into it. This week that you are watching me plan was actually pretty busy. I had a 4-day work week because we went to Tennessee to visit my family. So we left Thursday night. So I lost all day Friday as far as working goes. And then also on Thursday, I lost part of my time because I went to pick up Katie. If you guys don't know, she lives in China, but she was back in town visiting, and she decided to go on a road trip with us to visit my family in Nashville. So I went to pick her up. I had to meet her mom halfway and pick her up because she, since she lives in China, she doesn't have a car anymore, and she was kind of I don't think she didn't rent a car for this trip, so that's basically why. She can totally drive, but I had to go pick her up halfway, so I lost half of my day on Thursday as well, and I had a ton of stuff to get done. Let me just say, there was a sale going on Friday. It was the Planning a Better Me sale, and it's part of the Planning a Better Me event that's happening in September. It's actually the event that I am going to and I'm going to be a vendor at, and I'm really, really excited. It was a really awesome sale and it was fun to be part of it. And so that happened on Friday, so I had to prep for that, which prepping for a sale, you guys, is it's stressful. It's awesome stuff and it's fun, but it can also be really stressful and overwhelming. Currently going through that now because this coming Thursday starts the Go Wild sale, or the Wild collab sale. And there's just so much going on. And I'm actually going to do a behind the scenes vlog to kind of show you guys all the things that go into planning a big sale like this or being part of a big sale like this. So yeah, all of that happened. Also this week, I got 2 massages, which I never do, but my back was so messed up that I actually got a massage on Monday and then again on Friday. Like I said, I normally never do that, but my back was really not liking me. So basically, to prep for the sale, I had to design stuff. I had to do the listings, the photos for the listings, which are a pain. They're not hard, but they're just time consuming, you guys. It's just such a pain sometimes. So I had to do all that. I needed to make sure that I cleaned my apartment because I don't like leaving a messy apartment. Let's see, what else did I have to do? I feel like I had so much to do. I had to get orders out that came in before the sale. It was a pretty busy week, but I'm so thankful and so grateful that my shop is doing so well and that I am staying really busy, so I'm not complaining about it. It just was kind of crazy because I lost a day and a half of working time. So on Thursday, after I picked up Katie, we drove to Tennessee, like I said, and then on Friday, the sale started, so I had to make sure that everything was set up for that. I got my second massage for the week, which is absolutely insane, but thankfully both of them helped and my back does feel better, so that's good. We also went out to eat at Outback with my family for lunch because James and I are doing the Whole30, and if you know anything about the Whole30, you basically can't have a ton of stuff, but we know that we can go to places that offer like steak and stuff like that because we can order it without any oil, butter, seasoning, stuff like that. And it is a compliant meal, which is nice because especially traveling, it can be very difficult to keep up with the Whole30, but I will say that we have been successful so far and we have like another week to go, which is nice. So yeah, that happened on Friday. And then we also had a game night Friday night. So my friend Bailey came over and we all just like had a fun game night. We played, oh my goodness, what is the name of that game? What do you meme, I think is what it's called. It's basically like apples to apples, but with memes, and it's really fun. So we did that on Friday. And then on Saturday, we had a super lazy day. Basically, we laid around and did nothing. My parents actually had to work. They own their own business, so normally they have to work and I'll go work with them to hang out with them. But because Katie was with me, I didn't want to just ditch her and be like, bye, I'm going to go help my family. So we just hung out and did whatever, just we're completely lazy. And then Saturday night, we went to Texas Roadhouse, again, another place that James and I can eat. And we also did an escape room, which if you guys have been watching my channel and you've heard me talk about this before, I'm kind of obsessed with escape rooms. It's kind of insane. And then on Sunday, we just drove home. It was a pretty long day. We had to leave really early so that way we could meet up with Katie's family and she could make it back to where they were at. And then we had to drive back to our house. It was a very long day in the car and I was so over the car at that point. But anyway, that's pretty much everything that happened this week. And yeah, I mean, there's not really anything else to share with you guys. Now you can just watch me put on the date cover-ups, I guess. Okay guys, so that is how my week went. It was pretty busy, but then also like the back half of the week wasn't super busy. It was just super chill, but it was a good week. I had a great time visiting my family, and what else can I say? That is my spread. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you want to see more planner related content. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.